I traveled 1,500 miles from Tampa, Florida to Minneapolis, Minnesota to ride this wooden roller coaster. Well, I also rode some other stuff, but mostly for this wooden roller coaster. I persevered through random empty fields, closed rides, and kids with scooter luggage. Actually, that was pretty cool. I visited 2 parks, Valleyfair and Nickelodeon Universe at the Mall of America. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did this all in one day.
It's 5:45 a.m. on Saturday, and I'm flying to Minneapolis.
Minnesota!
This is gonna be a real dumb trip. I'm really excited to get on Renegade. It's kinda the whole reason I'm going on this trip, honestly. I'm obsessed with GCIs, so we'll see if it lives up to it, and if it doesn't, there will be hell to pay. Some quick rides on a few of the rides at Nickelodeon Universe because it opened an hour before Valleyfair does. So I'm going to be running over to Valleyfair for rope drop now, get everything there, and then come back here because it's open 2 hours later. So it opened at 10, closes at 9, Valleyfair opens at 11, closes at 7. Keeping the same locker, I have the same wristband that I can just use every time, so I will be back. Easy breakdown. SpongeBob's pretty fun. Orange Streak's kind of better. Not rough. Fun forces if you're sitting by yourself. I like this. Finally made it to Valleyfair. It looks like it's not insanely busy today, so it shouldn't be too bad. Unlike Busch Gardens, I can't take you on rides, so I'll do my best to get footage. See how it goes.
Derp, derpity, derp, derp, derp. Do your job or don't do it then! Do your job!
I fucking lose, man. What a sick twist of fate that you fly across the country, and the only intimate impulse in the world that still uses its holding brake is closed. Massive L. So, Steel Venom's down for the whole day. Wild thing is having a bunch of technical difficulties. There's a train stopped on the mid-course over there. It is a Valleyfair day, emphasis on the L's in the middle. Thank God I got a ride on Wild Thing before it closed down, because I don't know if it's even going to open back up again. Valleyfair's having a rough one, put it that way. Time for Renegade.
And that all clear means you're out of your so sit upright, hold on tight, and enjoy your ride on Renegade. Yeehaw!
I haven't really vlogged much. A very busy day. A lot of re-rides. Met a couple of new friends actually, which was kind of cool.
I got plenty of friends. I can name 3 right off the bat. The gang's all here.
Just, you know, some folks who share in the same hobby. Renegade slaps. Absolute banger. Not really sure where it lands in terms of my favorite GCIs, but it is a killer GCI. Wild Thing is Mild Thing, obviously. Unfortunately, the rumors are true. I actually liked High Roller better than Wild Thing. Super smooth, a little bit of floater in the back. It's a good fun Woody.
Hello.
Theme Park T-Roy.
How do you know my name? I'm Chris Hansen from To Catch a Credit Whore.
I feel gross after writing that. Just kidding. No, I don't. A credit's a credit. Fuck you. That's pretty phallic, don't you think? Now, despite everything I've said about this park over the course of this video, it's actually a pretty beautiful place. Just, its pre-Memorial Day operations are pretty rough. Steel Venom's not open, Excalibur's not open because apparently it's too hard to just open a path through the water park. It just doesn't really make much sense, but the rides here are fun, place is gorgeous, staff is awesome. I got no problems with it. I just wish Steel Venom was open. So that's going to do it for me from Valleyfair. All things considered, it was a pretty good day. Wild Thing isn't as bad as I gave it shit for. It's also deserves the reputation that it has. Renegade is incredible. It's just one of those rides that just gets better and better every time you ride it. The park itself is gorgeous. There isn't really a bad ride here. It's just a lot of mid and then Renegade and High Roller. I mean, if you get a chance to come out here, do it. I'm going to Nickelodeon Universe now. Gonna catch an Uber. I'll be there in a jiffy. Oh, what could have been? It's probably gonna open tomorrow. So apparently I'm supposed to catch my Uber in this field, forever away from the park. I think I'm gonna get murdered. Leave a like down below if you think I'm gonna get murdered. I'm gonna leave a like, because I think I'm gonna get murdered. Bad news for all the haters and likers, I didn't get murdered. But also my Uber driver's not here yet, so jury's still out on if that happens at some point. In fact, you should also subscribe if you think I'm gonna get murdered. I'm gonna subscribe, because I think I'm gonna get murdered. You've been tricked again, didn't get murdered. It was reverse psychology the whole... That may have been the dumbest shit I've ever filmed in my life. Am I ashamed? Yes. Will this even make it in the video? If it's embarrassing enough, yes. I'm losing my mind out here in this field, just waiting to get sniped from across the entire country. And, oh, there's a train. Squirrel! I'm so easily distracted.
20 minutes later.
Be back in the mall. Time to go on the food. Go on the food. I love log flumes. Log flumes are the best. If this line is long, I'm gonna keep this long. This dude and his ox are gigantic. This dude's got a big ox. Lumberjacks have big ox.
Shut the f up!
I only got like a little wet on the first drop, but I think the second drop is gonna go crazy. I'm in trouble. The log chute slaps. Banger. Don't get soaked. It's fun as hell. One of the best log flips ever. Now I gotta go ride my least favorite. I hate Gerstlauer spinners. Everything I've ever said about Gerstlauer spinners is wrong. Fairly Odd Coaster slaps. I might fall down from pure dizziness, but holy shit, so good. Now it's Avatar time. Never tried one of these either. And what do you know? Avatar slaps too. A little bit of air at the top, although you get stapled like crazy by the ops here. Really, really good coaster. Every coaster here is actually really solid. Honestly, except for SpongeBob. I didn't like SpongeBob very much. Not a big Eurofighter guy, I guess. I have to do Ghost Blasters. This looks kind of sick. Oh my god, I suck. There we go. I think I'm bad at this game. Oh, one shot, one kill. Holy shit. I'm falling out? I'm falling out? How am I falling out? I can't hear the song that's playing because this gun is so loud. What the fuck are you two doing? Horny bastards. Get sniped. Park is really, really interesting. It's like, it's got this crazy like kineticism to it where there's always something happening. Like wherever you're looking, there's a coaster train going, like right behind me right now. There's a coaster train going, there's a flat ride spinning. There's something happening where it's just, the place is alive. Not every ride is good, but most of them are. And I'd come back here in a heartbeat. This place is great. So I got one more ride on SpongeBob. The first time I went on it, I went in the back row. This time I went in the front. A lot better in the front. I was expecting the back to have been better for a Gerstlauer. It's what I've heard at least. The front was a lot better. It's still just it's a rough ride. It doesn't really make much sense considering it's in a mall, but it bounces your head around. So I mean, it's still my least favorite here, probably. It's still good, just my least favorite. That's what it is. But I think that's gonna do it for me in Minnesota. I fly home right in the morning tomorrow, so it's been a very successful day. I'm a happy camper. I won, even though I lost out on Steel Venom and Excalibur. I still won, so I'm happy. Okie dokie. Bye bye.